Hello guys, me who cares, and I'm playing Survivals again in my second video. And what I do is just trade, sell. I play with my subscribers, and I also do. Sorry about that. So yeah, as I was saying, what was it? Oh yeah, so I play Racing Rivals. I do not scam as 10. You guys have to go first. I do not go first. I just need 3 hours to finish. And I also in the future I'll be Pixen. I'm gonna go in Pixen, but once I upgrade my stuff. And so for this video, we're gonna be playing online and see who's legit. We're gonna try to chase people who are not legit. See if they actually would not go first. That's how you know they're scammers, or some of them are legit. Depends who it is and all that. Alright, so let me set that up. Trade. So M E Installers. This is the part. Honey, I always smoke me. It always does, but that's for the. Oh shoot. Shoot, I think I went bad now. I'm bad right now. Alright. See, I went. Oh, I was so bad. I usually go like 7.5 around there. No. I go 8.0. Yeah, just remember. I forgot. I was thinking of my SV. I put it wrong. Darn it. I trade. Oops. Trade and sell dead. I trade and so pay me if I trade. The Pigeon one and only. If you're watching this, I like your videos and all that. Yeah. See.